What's up, everybody? It's your girl Dwani here, and I'm back with another video. What's going on, you guys? I hope everybody's having a great day. It's nice out here. As you guys see, I got the sun in the background and everything. But yeah, I just want to come over here and make this video because I know a lot of you, some of you are asking what type of van did I drive and stuff like that. So I just decided to do a video so I can break it down to you guys, so let you know what type of van to get and all of that, and get into all the details for you. So as you can see in my background here, I got a 2016 Ford Transit low roof cargo van. Okay, this is a 150 model. Okay, now a lot of people are saying to get a high roof due to the fact that you could fit like a lot of tall items, like, you know, tall pallets and stuff like that. So like with me having a low roof van, I'm very limited of, like, you know, far as with having pallets in here. Now I can fit 2 pallets in my van currently right now, 2 pallets. My max is pretty much up to here, which is about like 52 inches. So long ways is 130 inches, the width is 54, and the height of my van is 52 inches. Okay, so that's why a lot of people tell you to get the bigger the better, because you can fit a lot more pallets, and you can fit real tall ones. With Ford Transit vans, they have the low roof like mine, the medium roof, and the much higher roof. Okay, so especially over the road, I highly suggest, before, like I said, the bigger the better, and you have more options that you can play around as well, because you know my options are pretty limited, but for the most part I do carry a lot of boxes and stuff like that. So but for every time to time I do carry pallets as well, and luckily the pallets that I do get, there's some that are like really short, but I still strap them up and everything, because you just never know. And I did have a incident where I had a tall pallet that literally made up to my roof, and me and the shipper had to break it down, at least just the top part, take the top part off, and I had to put the rest of it individually in my van because it was just too tall. And because you got to keep in mind too that, you know, the product is on a pallet, so the pallet also adds height as well. If it was without a pallet, I wouldn't have the issue, but since, you know, everything, you know, does come on pallets and stuff like that, you know, those are the things that you have to look for and keep in mind too, whenever you're doing like deliveries and picking up products and stuff like that. But I just want to come on here and share you guys about that and break that down to you guys and everything. And what I do like about it is that the length of it, that my van's, you know, is pretty long. So it's 130 inches, so basically that's like over 10 feet. So it's like 10.3 feet total, because I had situations where I had like longer product, you know, like poles for like construction, you know, things like that, like metal things, metal materials and stuff like that, that are pretty long, and they pretty much fit right at the max. So a lot of people are asking, you know, what type of cargo van should I get? I highly suggest Ford Transit. Other people are saying, like, you know, like the Nissans or gas guzzlers, but I literally have to like fill up each time in my van. But there's from time to time, you know, I still have, like, you know, fuel from, you know, from the other day or whatever, if I had filled it all the way up, and towards like the end of the day or whatnot, you know, I'll be good for the next whole day. So but yeah, those are just my pointers for you guys, you know, when you're looking at, you know, cargo vans, when you're shopping and stuff, what to look for. And like I mentioned before, I highly suggest that you guys please get a cage. Okay, this will actually protect you. So you see, mine was already previously in here, so it's like bolted in. I know some people are I know I saw a post where somebody was actually, you know, selling. Somebody had it out of another van. Guys, get these. This will protect you and the product, so you don't have to worry about the product, you know, falling on you, damaging and hurting you and harming you and stuff. So I highly suggest that. And of course, like I mentioned before, I want to get some flooring done. Get like some wood or whatever, and get some E-tracks. Do the whole sidewall and all that. So that's pretty much just my setup for right now. But you know, I got plans and everything, but of course there's some other things that I have to get done before I do all of that for the van. So, but yeah, that's pretty much my input on it, you guys. I hope that answers a lot of your questions. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys on the next video. Peace out, you guys. Have a great day.